In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable auto record phone calls on Samsung phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if you want the phone to handle recordings without you having to press a button every time, what you can do is very simply automate it. So go over to your phone application and tap the three dots on the top right corner, then go over to settings. Now, you're going to see a lot of options here, but you're going to see record calls as one of the options. Once you go ahead and click on that, you got to just toggle on auto record. You can even have transcript assist or anything like that. And you can even show a notification after recording as well. If you want to review your recordings, go over to recorded calls. I don't have any, so obviously it's not letting me go into that. And if you want to do a manual recording during a call, like let's say if you want to like record a specific conversation, all you got to do is while active, look at the in-call screen. So once you're here, you might also see a option to auto record calls. Now you're going to see this depending on what region you're in. And then when you see that, you can choose between all calls, calls with unsaved numbers, or calls with specific numbers as well. But again, it does depend on the region that you're in. For example, it's not in my region.